Tired of project deadlines feeling like a chaotic mess? Let's transform that chaos into clarity by building a timeline in Basecamp, making sure everyone stays on the same page and deadlines are actually met first. Open up Basecamp and select the project where you want to add a timeline. Now, look for the timeline section in your projects menu. It's usually on the left-hand side. Click on it. See that big, friendly add an event or to-do button? That's where the magic begins. Click it to add your first task or milestone to the timeline. Fill in the details for your task, give it a clear name, write a brief description, and most importantly, set a due date. This is what anchors your task to the timeline. Then, assign the task to the team member responsible to create dependencies. Click on Add a Prerequisite. Once you have saved your task, this shows the software when a task can become actionable. Select a task that needs to be completed before this one can begin. This is critical for project flow. To configure notifications, head to the project settings and customize the notifications preferences. Here you can choose when and how team members receive reminders and updates. And that's it. You now have a basic timeline in Basecamp with notifications, keeping your project organized and your team informed. Using these tips, you'll be managing projects like a pro and hitting those deadlines every time.